Hi and welcome back. So today we're going to do the very first room in the Web Fundamentals learning path here on TryHackMe. And just to remind you guys how to access this Web Fundamentals learning path is that you log into tryhackme.com, go to Learn, and then pick just from the top the fifth from the top learning path called the Web Fundamentals. So I'm clicking that now, and then you just scroll down a bit and you pick the first room, which is called Tutorial. The very first tutorial room is very easy and doesn't take a lot of effort to complete. Basically what I'm stated to do is to start your first machine, so I'm clicking Start Machine. While doing that, I'm going to read the text. It tells me that let's start your attack box. Okay, so since I'm a subscriber, I have something called an attack box. An attack box is a piece of software installed on the online, which is a Linux distribution called Kali installed that I can use. However, I have my own distribution installed on my virtual machine, so I'm not really gonna do that. Let's see. Then it tells me to start the target machine, show it on task, and wait for a minute for it to configure. Already clicked Start Machine. Third one is to copy the IP address and machine into the browser on my attack box, which is this machine I'm sitting at right now. And then it tells me that follow the steps in this task. What is the flag text shown on the website? Okay, so I need to inform some sort of flag here, which is a text-based way of proving that I got access to the machine. Since this is just a introduction room, it's just to get me started on how to access a machine. So I'm gonna copy paste the IP address in my browser, put the IP address in, and I should very soon get a response back to my browser with the web page. While waiting, I'm gonna go here and see if it's the correct 10.10.7 to 54. Let me see. Maybe I forgot to do something. Copy the address, text right hand side, put it into UL bar. Yes, okay. Alright, and I have my OpenVPN. I didn't start my OpenVPN, so I'm gonna go to my desktop and sudo OpenVPN, the TryHackMe OpenVPN file, which is, by the way, in another room that I'm going to create at a later point about how to get started with TryHackMe and OpenVPN. So, and I'm going to go back and try and access the same page again. So this is the actual page. It's just a test page with a flag. I'm going to copy paste it, put it down here in the answer format. Okay, it didn't copy paste. So right click copy. There we go, and submit. And I'm getting a green whoop whoop. The answer is correct. So this is the very first room on TryHackMe learning path called Web Fundamentals. The next step, it actually got another step, would be to read above and explore TryHackMe. So they kind of want me to read the different rooms so I can pick the correct one. Okay, so we already created, selected the room learning path called Web Fundamentals, and the room that I'm in is called Tutorial. So what I'm really just gonna do is click Completed, and then congratulations, my answer is correct, and now I'm done with the very first room. So what I'm gonna do now is to go back onto the Learn, pick the learning path again called Web Fundamentals, and then scroll a bit down, and now I see that I completed the room tutorial. Okay, so please keep in mind that I have been poking around before on TryHackMe, and some of the rooms that I did do in the past is just a part of this learning path. The next room we're going to do is called Introductory Networking, and until then, I hope that you liked the video. I hope you will subscribe to my channel and click the bell for future notifications. Hope you liked the video. See you again. Bye.